We are all blessed to be in the presence of God this morning. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. 6:22 to 27. Number 6:22 to 27. It reads, "And the Lord spake unto Moses, saying, And the Lord spake unto Moses, saying, Speak unto Aaron and unto his sons, saying, On this one ye shall bless the children of Israel, saying unto them, The Lord bless thee and keep thee." 25. "The Lord make his face shine upon thee and be gracious unto thee." 26. "The Lord lift his countenance unto thee, upon thee, and give thee peace." 27, which is the loud voice. And they shall put my name upon the children of Israel, and I will bless them. In Jesus' mighty name, this is the word of the Lord.